everybody! My name is Peter, and today I am going to show you how to play with your pig. Want to go on a world, play selected world. Now you can see I'm flying, and guys, I'm just going to so guys, I'm just going to cut ahead, so thanks guys. Okay, hello everybody. I just cutted the video. So this is how you play with them. So guys, how you play with pigs is you want to get spawn pig and send them down your slide. Whee! Then yourself. Isn't that right? I just killed one of my own. So guys, that's how you play with a pig. And as you guys might see, I'm gonna put a pig on here. So guys, thanks for watching.